Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change gear settings in Strava. So that's actually so easy to have been completed, and the app you can get it from the stores, App Store, Play Store. It depends on which system you have, either iOS or Android. And yeah, this app is about the fitness, running, cycling, etc. So let's get into Strava. Alright, so once you tap on your app or you get into your app, you will be on the home page by default. So what you're going to do is to go into you right here on the bottom right corner. So tap on it. And right here, as you can see, we have some options on the top right, actually. So I would just want you to go into the third one from the right, or the first one from the left. So just by tapping on it, you will get into your profile. So right here, what you're going to do is scroll down into here. You can see gear right here. Just tap on it. Alright, so you get into your gear, and right here even you can add a new one, or you can just go and change an existing one or edit an existing one. So for me, I just created that one just to set an example. So by going into it and by tapping on it, you will see all the informations about this gear. So you can go into the retire bike or edit bike. So in this video we will go into the edit bike, and right here you can change the informations that you already typed or filled on the blanks. And once you are finished, you will just go into save, and not that option below. So let's tap on save. And yeah, so the changes that you made will be appeared and will be changed right here. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.